Hey everybody, Ace here, Restoration Warehouse. We got a really cool car for you today. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible. 650 horsepower, 8-speed automatic. Let's dive into it. When you pop the hood of this Vette, what you're going to find up underneath there is an LT4 Supercharged 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pound of torque beast. But what else is really neat about these cars is on a trip, cruising down the highway, you can get almost 30 miles a gallon in one of these rides. So why would you not want to have something that has tons of power at your fingertips and gets good fuel mileage all at the same time? All right, what you're going to find on the inside of this sweet Corvette is all red leather bucket seats with the Z06 embossed in the headrest with a cool chrome V right in the seats. Then you've also got black and red door panels, a black and red dash. You've got touchscreen navigation, heads-up display, paddle shift for that 8-speed automatic, and I mean just a sports car feel. What else is really cool is that the convertible top is all powered. So you just hit a button, that top folds down, you're ready to cruise. You know what people don't talk about is storage. Storage on the Corvette, like when you want to go on a trip, let's talk about it real quick. Once you pop this trunk area, and remember, the convertible top is down. There's still plenty of room to put 2 good-sized suitcases back here and make that trip really enjoyable with the storage, even with the convertible top down. So think about that when you want to take this car and go on a cool cruise. If you want more information on this ride or any of the other ones that we've got, look us up, restowarehouse.com, or give me a call, 865-409-5407. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms and give us a like and subscribe on YouTube at Resto Warehouse. Again, I'm Ace. Keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.